Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping, surrounded by the cool embrace of natural stone walls, with breathtaking landscapes stretching beyond your doorstep. Cave homes offer an extraordinary way to live, blending seamlessly with the natural world while providing shelter, comfort, and a unique aesthetic that is both ancient and modern. In today's video, we take you on a fascinating journey into some of the most stunning cave homes that redefine sustainable living and showcase the charm of nature-integrated architecture. If you're passionate about unique home designs and the beauty of nature, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Now, let's explore the enchanting world of cave house living. The timeless appeal of cave homes. Cave homes are not a new concept. They date back thousands of years, providing early humans with natural shelter from harsh climates. What makes them so appealing even today is their ability to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature without excessive heating or cooling. The thick rock walls naturally insulate the interiors, keeping them cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This energy-efficient design reduces environmental impact and makes cave living an eco-friendly choice. Modern cave homes take advantage of this natural efficiency while incorporating contemporary comforts such as luxurious interiors, modern lighting, and high-end finishes. With their organic charm and sustainability, cave homes continue to captivate those looking for a harmonious way to live with nature. Spectacular locations for cave homes. Cave homes can be found in some of the most breathtaking locations worldwide. From the famous cave dwellings of Cappadocia, Turkey, with their fairy tale-like formations, to the stunning rock-hewn villages of Matera, Italy, these homes have stood the test of time. In Spain, the Sacramento caves offer a rustic and artistic appeal, while in the United States, hand-carved cave homes hidden within desert landscapes provide a one-of-a-kind living experience. Each of these locations showcases how humans have skillfully adapted to their environments, creating homes that blend naturally with the surrounding landscapes. Whether built into hillsides or carved from solid rock, cave homes reflect a deep respect for nature and architectural ingenuity. Eco-friendly and sustainable living. One of the most compelling reasons to embrace cave home living is its sustainability. Unlike conventional homes, which require vast amounts of resources and materials, cave homes utilize natural formations, significantly reducing the need for construction materials. Many cave homes incorporate rainwater collection systems, solar panels, and geothermal heating to further enhance their eco-friendly appeal. This minimal impact on the environment makes them a perfect choice for those looking to live a greener lifestyle. Additionally, by blending into their natural surroundings, cave homes preserve the landscape's beauty rather than disrupting it with artificial structures. Living in a cave home is a testament to how architecture can work in harmony with nature rather than against it. Comfort and luxury of modern cave living. While cave homes may seem rustic or primitive at first glance, modern designs have transformed them into luxurious spaces. Many contemporary cave homes feature stylish open-concept layouts, large glass windows that bring in natural light, and high-end furnishings that create an elegant yet cozy ambience. Advanced ventilation systems ensure fresh air circulation, and customized lighting enhances the natural textures of the rock walls. Kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms are designed with functionality in mind, proving that cave living does not mean sacrificing comfort. The combination of natural elements and modern aesthetics results in a home that is both inviting and awe-inspiring. Cave homes and the connection to nature. One of the most rewarding aspects of cave home living is the unparalleled connection to nature. With their organic structure, these homes blend into their surroundings, offering stunning panoramic views of mountains, valleys, or deserts. Many cave homes feature outdoor terraces, allowing residents to fully immerse themselves in nature's tranquility. The lack of artificial noise and urban distractions enhances mental well-being, making cave living an ideal retreat for those seeking peace and relaxation. The ability to step outside and immediately engage with nature fosters a lifestyle that is both grounding and rejuvenating. How cave homes promote energy efficiency. A significant advantage of cave homes is their impressive energy efficiency. The thermal mass of the surrounding rock acts as a natural insulator, significantly reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. This passive temperature regulation not only lowers energy bills, but also contributes to a reduced carbon footprint. Unlike traditional homes, which are exposed to external weather conditions, Cave homes benefit from the Earth's consistent underground temperature. As a result, they remain at a comfortable temperature year-round, making them an excellent choice for sustainable living. Challenges of cave house living. While cave homes offer numerous benefits, they also come with unique challenges. Natural ventilation can sometimes be limited, requiring additional airflow solutions. The presence of moisture in certain environments means proper waterproofing and humidity control are essential to prevent mold growth. Another factor to consider is the maintenance of rock surfaces, which may require reinforcement or sealing over time. Despite these challenges, the advantages of cave home living often outweigh the difficulties, especially for those who value sustainability and an immersive connection to nature. The rise of cave home tourism. Cave homes have also gained popularity as vacation rentals and boutique accommodations. Many travelers seek unique lodging experiences that offer something beyond traditional hotels, and cave dwellings provide the perfect blend of adventure and comfort. From luxurious cave resorts to simple off-grid retreats, these homes offer an unforgettable experience that showcases the beauty of natural architecture. Visitors often leave feeling reconnected with nature, inspired by the tranquility and timeless charm of these remarkable dwellings. Architectural innovation in cave home design. Today's cave homes showcase remarkable architectural innovation. Designers and architects incorporate modern technologies and sustainable solutions to enhance comfort and livability. Some cave homes feature skylights, smart home systems, and underground gardens that bring in natural light and ventilation. The fusion of ancient construction techniques with contemporary design elements results in homes that are both aesthetically stunning and highly functional. As more people seek sustainable alternatives, cave homes are becoming a symbol of forward-thinking, eco-conscious living. Cave homes as a symbol of resilience. Throughout history, cave homes have symbolized resilience and adaptability. They have provided shelter in some of the world's harshest climates, proving that humans can create thriving living spaces in even the most challenging environments. Their enduring presence stands as a testament to the ingenuity of traditional architecture and the timeless wisdom of working with nature rather than against it. As we look toward the future, these homes remind us that sustainability and comfort can coexist beautifully. Future of cave home living. With growing interest in sustainable housing and nature-integrated design, cave homes are likely to become even more popular. Architects continue to push the boundaries of creativity, experimenting with new ways to make cave homes more efficient and aesthetically pleasing. As cities become more crowded, alternative living solutions like cave homes present an opportunity to reconnect with nature without sacrificing modern luxuries. The future of cave home living looks promising, offering a harmonious balance between tradition and innovation. Conclusion: embracing the magic of cave home living. Cave homes offer a unique, eco-friendly, and breathtaking way to live, bringing people closer to the natural world while providing all the comforts of modern living. Whether as a primary residence, vacation retreat, or architectural inspiration, these homes prove that true luxury lies in harmony with nature. If you enjoyed this journey through the most amazing cave homes, be sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible home design inspirations. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.